latest WinRAR if you don't have it yet. Download the 3 RAR files sent in your email. ESLER RAR, Images Library RAR, and ESLER Estimating Leader RAR. ESLER Estimating Leader RAR is in Spam folder because it contains macro-enabled Excel files. Go to Downloads folder. Move ESLER Estimating Leader RAR on your desktop. Move ESLER RAR and Images Library RAR to Drive C. Open Drive C. Right-click on ESLER RAR. Click Extract here. Move Images Library RAR to ESLER folder. Open ESLER folder. Locate Images Library RAR. Right-click on it. Click Extract here. Close Drive C folder. Locate ESLER Estimating Leader RAR on your desktop. Right-click on it and click Extract here. Locate ESLER Estimating Leader Excel file. Right-click on it and click Properties and tick the Unblock checkbox. Do this also for Sample to Story Excel file. If the Unblock checkbox is not there, ignore this step. Open ESLER Estimating Leader. This is the file that you use when beginning a new project. Click Enable Content when prompted. Click Reset button to have a clean copy of the file. Sample 2-Story Excel file is a Sample 2-Story residential project. Watch YouTube tutorials first before exploring ESLER. Thank you. Enjoy your ESLER journey. This is Adora. See you in the future video tutorials. Ari sa ko ninyong tingin. Bye for now.